is Sherry Robinson, and I'm an Associate Professor of Business at Penn State University's Hazleton campus. I was a Fulbright Scholar in 2008-2009 in Norway, and I wasn't looking for another Scandinavian award, but when I was searching through the awards, no matter what I did, this particular school, this award kept coming up. I'm working with Ingo on the International Business class. We have 24 exchange students and 3 Icelanders who are in the distance learning programs. It's really giving me a kind of a new lease on life. The students I have right now are so energetic and hardworking and creative. It's just a delight to be with them. And at the same time, working with Ingo, I don't have to come up with lectures or do grading. I'm just putting onto a game format overlay over top of what he's doing, which is what I'm very interested in. And I'm doing a lot of research on that so then I can improve games for my future students.